It's just nice to be able to play, gain a little confidence back, have people believe in me, and I just feel so free when I'm playing right now, so it's really nice.
What makes you play free?
I would say the system here is perfect for me. I'm just trying to stay within the system, play how I know I can play, and play how they believe I can play, and it's been working out.
When did you decide that you wanted to play the fifth year then? Because if you got Blizzy in Christmas time, when was that fifth year on the table?
Yeah. I didn't actually start playing last year until after Christmas. So I kind of thought it was over for me, to be honest. And then I just slowly started progressing in my rehab. And yeah, it was towards the end of the season where it was really a decision. Do you want to put your body through another year, or do you want to kind of go out healthy? Because it is a risk that I'm taking. But at the end of the day, I just love playing basketball so much. And I felt like it was going to be a disservice to do all that work to get back and then not play again.